Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. Thank you for joining me once again. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you are an OG, you are amazing. Today I have my unboxing of my yummy hair, my yummy curly wave. I think it's a raw Cambodian curly wave. A bit of history on this hair. Or should I give a history of this hair? You guys should probably watch my old video so you can see the history of this hair. But anyways, this hair I always wanted to get it, and then eventually I got the wavy elegance and I was excited, but then it turned out that raw hair is high maintenance, and then I decided to run away from raw hair. So I went to look for this same curl pattern but virgin hair, and I bought that. So I do have a review of KBL hair, which is this hair I have on. And then after doing that, I figured out how to work with my raw hair, and then I ended up loving my wavy elegance. And then Yummy Hair had a sale, and I'm like, wait, maybe I can get the curly wave at this time. I was actually a little bit confused when I got there because I'm like, wait, should I get the curly wave or should I get the Burma? But I'm like, look, you always wanted a curly wave, just get curly wave. So I finally got it. So yes, it's here. I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing of what that was like, but it came with a typical, FedEx stuff. And then out of the pouch, it looks like this. I actually already opened this, but I decided to open it again for you guys. But this is what it looks like. I'll probably put in a clip of the actual unboxing because I videoed that though. I got 2 bundles. If you guys know anything about me right now, you know I'm notorious for just 2 bundles for Yummy Hair because I know it's enough. I've gotten 2 bundles of even longer length, and this is 14 inches. So yeah, it comes with typical thank you card, which is cool, and then a note. Usually they send me handwritten notes. Where is my handwritten notes? That felt very personal, This is not handwritten. Do I want my handwritten notes? Am I offended that I didn't get a handwritten note? I don't know. Comes with hair tips, of course, to learn how to take care of the hair. And these are the hairs. They're both 14 inches, so I expect them to be the same. They are pretty dry. This is curly wave, if this focuses. And then this is the hair like brushed out. The first thing, of course, is Yummy Hair always smells so good. I don't know what they use on their hair, but thank you for having mercy on our noses and giving us some pleasant aromas, but it definitely smells really good. I like it. Anyway, so this is the hair dry, and this is the other one. This is the other one. You get close up so you can see that. I'm gonna get the hair wet. I believe this is a coarser texture. I don't think it's as coarse as my wavy elegance, but it definitely is giving me the same feeling, which is all right. This is how thick the bundles are, and I have 2 of them. So for this hair, I didn't buy a closure. I was thinking about perhaps doing a leave out, or maybe doing crochet parts type of thing if I don't want to leave out my own hair. I still need to figure it out, but I didn't really want to do a closure with this hair. So if you're subscribed to my channel, you will get a notification when I post the video of the final look of this hair. So make sure you do that. So this is the hair. So far so good. Something else I always trust Yummy Hair for is the thickness of the hair from the root to the tip is always on point. Like, you don't get straggly ends, you don't get it thinning out. It's full from top to the bottom, which is great. I can always count on them for that. I bought this hair, typical shipping time, 5 business days to get to me, which was expected. I'm gonna put the price of the hair. Again, it was on sale. I think I got both of them for, I believe everything came up to like maybe $240, I believe, for everything, including taxes and shipping. What I want to do next is I'm gonna sew this on, and then I'm curious to see, again, the curl pattern for this hair is quite similar I think it's gonna be a little bit similar to this one I have on because this inspired this hair. Let me wet it so we can see what the curls look like. So there we go. So the curly wave kind of has waves on top and then it kind of turns into like a nice curl ringlet at the bottom. I really do like the ringlets. Sometimes I wish I could get the ringlets a little bit higher up. I'm definitely excited about this hair and how it's gonna look eventually when I'm done with it. And I think I want to see how it looks compared to this one because they seem quite similar to me. But the only thing is this is supposed to be like the natural curl pattern of this hair because Yummy hair is raw, it's not steam processed or anything. So if this is the natural curl pattern, I would expect this one to, you know, stay perfectly curly like this, you know, for a very long time. This one, however, because it's steam processed, I don't know if I can say the same about those curls. Right now, it doesn't look like this hair sheds. I have been brushing it. It doesn't shed much, maybe a few strands here or there. Typically, I've never had an issue with Yummy hair shedding, especially new ones. My really old Yummy hair was shedding after a couple of years, but that was after like maybe 3 years or so. But yeah, this one doesn't shed at all, which is great. So this is what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like dried. Pick your choice. This is it, guys. Long and short of my initial unboxing, initial review. Stay tuned for the following videos when I have installed this hair. And if you have any questions about this hair that I haven't addressed, just put in the comment box and let me know what questions you have. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!